That'd be scary for another fire.
Yeah. And see how little fires we actually get around here. But if you're watching on the national news from somewhere else, it probably makes Colorado look like it's all on fire, you know?
Yeah. No, they were surrounded. I think Colorado is surrounded with fire. There was a Utah.
Well, on the map, it looks like the whole state's on fire now.
Oh,
except
yeah.
just a little spot here and there.
Remember, I shared you a picture from Facebook. But I
Yeah.
shared you a
Yeah, and that
picture.
makes it look like everything's on fire.
Like there were like 4 spots of fire closer.
Yeah.
Sobrang alikabok mo sa dash. Kasi, oops, ko na.
You're fine. I just had to get up where I could see.
So that, yeah.
Well,
Sobrang alikabok yung daan. Our road is really special. That's what do you call that? Just like my car.
oh, Cadillac? No,
Caddy.
I don't think that's a Cadillac.
I think it's a caddy.
What is the rear, where you put your key in to open the trunk? Does it have the Cadillac signal?
Let me see.
It's more like an Oldsmobile to me, but
I don't know. It's hard to see. It's a caddy, huh?
no,
Is it not?
I don't think so. I think it's a
Buick?
Buick. I think so. I really couldn't see that rear thing that well to tell me.
Oh, look at that house. This is the one that Tracy's lot.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the one that you said why he didn't tell you.
Oh.
when he sold it,
Yeah.
and the one in other spot.
That's the kind of
I
deals you need to
don't
put
think
up.
that lot is big. They build a bigger house in there.
Yeah.
I don't think that's big. It's Pagosa Lake.
Probably not. Probably filling up the whole lot.
Pwede ka mag-fishing. Sikad no eh. The guy is always in there na, huh?
Yeah.
He's probably almost done.
Maybe.
It's been what? Over a year.
Yeah. A couple of years now.
Couple years? They probably always have somebody in there working with him.
Sure. I'm sure.
Look at that trees.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a big old...
Yeah, that's what Mom's
Yeah, I gotta
talking
get
about
rid of it.
yesterday.
Okay, yeah. I'll start watering trees and stuff here in a minute.
Okay. What?
Oh, I lost this one. There you go.
Tingnan yung mga ano namin. Ano yun? Aspen trees. Ito siya, tiso. Sobrang matinik yan siya. Okay naman yung ano niya, bulaklak. Galing, kaya lang, kailangan talaga siyang, ano ba, kuhanin. Kasi, sobrang matinik. They really like to move stuff. On tayo ng TV. Ano yan siya? 85 inches. Do you want coffee, my dear?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh, where's the other? Oh, the other cup in here. Dapat siguro nabuak, no? Ay. Did they break the other cup in here?
Mm-hmm.
There's only 5 left. 5 cups.
Oh, wow. They really like their coffee, huh?
Oh.
Cups?
The cups.
Did you check the dishwasher?
Yeah, I just did. Oh.
Crap. Still. Go check the table on the back porch and stuff.
Kadalasan ng gamit namin dito, ano yan siya. Yung sa kitchen, mga bago yan. Tapos, tingnan natin sa deck. Wala naman dito. Yung cleaner ba, hindi nila binabalik yung ano, sa ayos yung mga chair. Hindi nila binabalik. Way klaro. Pa-increase ra bagbayad. Nako. Saan kaya yun? Ito yung master bedroom. Ito yung master bath. Malaki siya. Closet na yan. Ito yung... Ay, bakit naman may ano pa dito? Upuan. Talaga ba? Ako nag-tiles dito lahat. Yan. Ako naggawa niyan. Ng mga bato-bato, mahirap siya. Dito. Ako lahat dito. Tapos yan. Ito. Ano ba yan? I don't like their cleaner. Tapos ito din. Tinulungan ako niyan. Ito. Ako din dyan. Pati yung sa deck. Na tingnan natin. Yung sa deck. Ito. Yan, ako niyan. Tapos itong sa dito. Di mo lang makita. Mahirap siya na trabaho. Pero kailangan talagang trabahuin kasi mahal ang labor. Ito dito sa kitchen kami ng asawa ko. Tapos ito dito ako na. Yan, dyan ako na yan. Tsaka ito backsplash. Ako na dyan. Yan, mga backsplash. Ako na. Tapos ito ako. Ano pa? Tapos dito. Yan, ako nagbe-bricks niyan. Pati dito sa common bath. Dito sa sahig at saka dyan. Tapos dito pa sa isang room. Bathroom. Ito dito. Tapos ano pa? Dito sa second bed. Dalawang queen bed. Ito siya. Ako pa rin dyan. Yung t-shirt ko. Ay, nako. Yan. Tapos dito, yung namin, yung sauna namin, dinala namin dito. Ito. Sauna. Dinala namin for the renters. Tapos dito, ito mahirap siya kasi maliliit. Yan, mahirap siya. Tinulungan ako ni Richie. So, yun lang. Saya, diba? Ang saya-saya. Tapos yung sa labas na mga bricks, mga rocks. Ako din. Tingnan ko ha. Yan ako dyan. Tapos dyan pa. Ito. Yung mga may rocks. Ako yan. Ito pa. Dito. Tsaka yung sa yan. Yan. Nakakapagod. Sabi ng asawa ko, gusto ko daw yung ginagawa ko. Sabi ko, hindi wala lang talagang choice. Kasi ang mahal kaya ng magpa-labor. Siya na nga lang gumagawa sa ito din. Ito. Yan. Gawa ko yan. Gawa ko yan. Tsaka, Yung sa ano pala namin sa entrance o sa foyer. Yan. Ito siya. Ito siya. Idea ko to. Idea ko yan. Yan. Yan, idea ko yan. Idea ko, gawa ko. Ganyan talaga. Ako ang may idea eh. Sige guys, maglaba muna ako. Bye.